I wasn't feeling good. I went for an angiogram, and it was a time that open heart surgery was just coming into its own, you know. And if you went for an angiogram, if you had a little blockage, man, oh, you're a real candidate. I wouldn't let you out of here if you were my father, you know. So I told this doctor, when you get done with this angiogram, don't tell me if I was your brother or your father that you wouldn't let me out of the hospital, blah, blah, blah. Sure enough, get done with the angiogram. And my wife said, in comes this doctor. Oh, my God. I said, how much blockage do I have? And I just got done reading an article. Unless you're 80 or 90%, unless you're 80 or 90% blocked, they really can't measure it, you know? He says, you're a candidate for open heart surgery. So my oldest daughter, who was into alternative medicine, told me about chelation. So I went to the bookstore and I bought all the books, you know, 40 Forever and Chelation Therapy. I read them all. And I decided I couldn't get hurt with it, you know. So I started chelation. And I did real well. I was retired, playing golf 4 days a week, not feeling good. Then after, I guess, 13 or 14 years, I got tired of coming. So I quit for 2 years. Ended up in trouble. Had a triple bypass. After 6 weeks, one of my bypasses closed up. Ended up getting 3 stents put in, one of which one broke. A few months later, ended up getting 2 more stents put in. I started rehab and was not able to walk more than 8 minutes on a treadmill. So I told my doctor I was going to go back to chelation. And she said, fine, you know, you've been doing it for so long, let's try it again. Now I'm walking 30 minutes on on a treadmill, doing 18 minutes on a new step, lifting weights. Going to start playing golf in another 2 weeks. And that's my tale. Pain-free. I'm back here once a week. We'll get another few weeks. I'll be going down to twice a month and then stay on maintenance. But I've done very well. I'm 80 years old.